Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the motorcycle rescuer, and this is my Honda cb250 Nighthawk bobber. Rabjab's here to give a hand. We've got two carbs, both of which you've seen because I've done some footage, I believe, of that, or I might not have actually. So I will show you that I've got two carbs, both should be working, both should be ready to bolt onto the bike. Now, I don't know why, but I want to try my original carb first, just because I'm a bit awkward like that. And if my original carb works, I'll leave it like that. But this bike is ultimately ready for sale. It's a stunning bike. I think. I don't. What do you like this bike?
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah, honestly, it's a stunning bike. It's got such a beautiful shape. It's like a little Harley. It's like a little Harley. You know. It works really well. The stance, you haven't tried the new stance since the handlebars have been risen. Yeah, your stance looks good. Put your swap feet for me, Rabjab. Swap feet. Put that one up. Yeah, I like it. Honestly, guys, the work we've done. These extenders have been brilliant. The speedo works now, Rabjab. That wasn't working last time. No, I haven't got the carb on. Look, that's what we're doing now, mate. But the bike's just stunning. So guys, I've got two carbs. I've cleaned them both out. Both have new diaphragms, and I'm going to see now if this gets up and runs well. It ran well before, but it had a slight issue with the lower end. In fact, a bit like that moped over there, it had a slight issue with the lower end quarter throttle that we just couldn't resolve. And we figured out that the diaphragm had 4 holes in it, which was ruining its rideability. So let's bolt this carb on, let's fire this thing up, and let's give it a spin. Absolutely can't wait. Alright guys, we got the new carb on, we got the spare carb down there. Do you want to start it? He wants to start it, look. Right, one click. Oh, hang on. Is the fuel on? We need fuel on and we need choke. Fuel is, no, fuel's not on. Fuel's on now, and a bit of choke. Go on then. Easy. Let it warm up, It don't sound great. Easy. Let it warm up. It's been sitting weeks now. Why does this not stay up? That's annoying. You have to...
Good?
Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to give it a couple of minutes to warm up, because it's not really fair otherwise. Any leaks or anything, Rabjab? You see anything? No. Alright, I'm going to give it a bit of a warm up, then I'll take it for a spin, and we will... I mean, at the moment, it doesn't seem right, but I haven't got my spare hand. Wait a minute. Oh, it does. It seems fine. Yeah, let's give it a good couple of minutes warm up. Annoying that the choke don't stop. Okay guys, so at the moment this carb's not happy. This is the original carb with a new Chinese diaphragm. I know this carb is clean. I know it's jetted appropriately. It's just not happy. In fact, it's happier with full choke, which doesn't make sense because we've already upjetted, so I don't think it's right. Let's pop on the second-hand carb. Now, all I've done with this is the original diaphragm, I believe, although I weren't sure when I opened it up, if I'm being honest. Everything else is original, but I upjetted it by 5, so it's a 115 instead of a 110. I think this might be better than that. Rabjab, do you want to show them roughly how bad it is? So that's warm now, guys. So do you want to just throw it up? Just look how splurry it is. Only one turn, Rabjab. Only one turn, mate. That's it, yeah. So it's warm now, guys. And it revs kind of high end. But it's spluttery, it's unhappy. Alright, stop there, that's fine. So let's swap these carbs over. It takes literally 5 minutes. And then we will try that. And if that solves the problem, I'll be ecstatic.
Go start that up, Charlie.
Alright guys, carb 2. Set up. Fuel's on. Throttle is not on.
Right, turn it off. Wait. Go, Charlie.
Take 2. Yes!
Sound healthy.
Wow, that sounds so healthy, doesn't it? Sound healthy. Test run.
I'll let you test run.
Do it.
Right.
Guys, check out my helmet. This one. Oh, it rides beautifully, guys. That shows you that the Chinese parts for these carbs just don't do the job sometimes. That's an original carb there that I bought from Holland and gave it a quick. Rabjab's just testing it now. Oh, it looks. Oh, it backfired. Did you see that? Block. Turn around. Turn around. Take your time, no rush. Get some more effort out this time. There he is. Right. Give it some. Shape. Not Rabjab, the bike. His turns are terrible. He's going to do his full test soon. Should have you turned that? Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. Again, the bike. Oh, I love it. It pulls strong, doesn't it? Yes, I'm going to get some pictures. I'm going to take that crap off the front because it's terrible. And we'll sell this bike soon. Love it.